Hey everyone, David here, founder of SheetXAI. And today, what we're going to do is we're going to look at how to deduplicate things that have different cases, trailing spaces, and stuff like that. We're going to figure out how to deduplicate them in Google Sheets and Excel. So first, you're going to open your Google Sheet or Excel, which should already have all the data that you need. And then you should open SheetXAI. If you don't know how to do that, it's simply just press extensions, SheetXAI, open SheetXAI. It's very simple. Now, once it's open, all you have to say is this prompt right here, which I'm gonna paste. All it says is remove duplicate leads. Same email addresses should only appear once. Ignore uppercase and extra spaces. And just like that, you just send it. After you send it, just watch the magic happen. Watch the AI do its magic. Boom, and that's done, right? Now, to make it even nicer, I could ask it, can you normalize the email column so that they all have one case instead of looking messy? And that should also be done in a few seconds. Boom, it's done, right? So essentially, remember, all you have to do is get SheetXAI in Google Sheets or Excel, and you just gotta ask. The moment you ask, it's done, literally in a few seconds. Boom. Have a nice day.